how to look for and find whether it's a valid invoice or not. Let's look at both the examples of a good invoice and a bad invoice and what makes it a good and a bad invoice, right? So if you look at the example above, so what we need to make sure is a good invoice or a valid invoice in my language is always the invoice with a valid APN. So many times we will have our clients who will receive an invoice from their supplier and it will have no Australian business number. Well, then you shouldn't be able to claim it on your expenses. They sometimes it wouldn't even have their business name on there, wouldn't have a proper invoice number. It needs to say the word tax invoice to be a valid invoice, not just invoice. So a unique invoice number is again very important. The problem happens where they just put whatever number right there. Having payment details, amount payable, and if you're registered for GST, having GST shown on your tax invoice or saying the amount includes GST. Very, very important. So go back and look at your accounting system where you're invoicing through, look at your document if you're using Word for invoicing. However you're invoicing, make sure it's a valid invoice